Welcome back. So in our last video, we were able to run our imported data. And in this video, we're going to be taking care of the missing value in our data. So in case for those of you who are wondering what kind of editor I'm using right now, I'm using Google Colaboratory. So if you don't want to use your computer for the sake of hardware issues or stuff like that, you can use sign up for a Gmail account, and then you can go ahead and use the Google Colaboratory. It's free of charge and everything is pre-installed. The library, everything is pre-installed. You don't have to bother about the RAM, the capacity, the hardware functionality. Everything is pre-installed by Google, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's go ahead and install the sklen. Import the sklen. So we'll say from sklen.impute import simple imputer. Now we say imputer equals to simple imputer. Now we are going to say missing values equals to numpy.none. And then we're going to say the next parameter would be the strategy. Strategy equals to min. So we are going to get the minimum of the age in that column and then try to predict the age of the Spanian customer who couldn't, which age is missing on the data. Now we are going to, now we have initialized it. Next we are going to feed the data. We're going to say imputer.feed. We're going to say x. We're going to specify the range. This is the rows, which is all the rows, and then we specify the number of column, which is the number of column we are looking at is just the country, age, and salary, because the missing value falls under the age. So we're going to specify the third one too as well. So we're going to say start from 1, 2, 3. And then we are going to transform the data. Now in this section we are going to transform the data and then assign the transform data to the column, to the missing value, so that we can be able to have them replaced, the missing value. So we're going to do x, the same thing as there, x, all the column 1, 3 equals to imputer.transform. And then we're going to say x, all the column from 1 down to 3. That's it. So with this, oh, it's not skimputer, skimpute. So with this, we are going to print out our x to see if the value was replaced. Print x. So let's run the cell. Oops. We hit an error. So I'm going to pause the video and try to debug the error. So guys, it turns out that we had an error. So what we missed a step in the first video. So what you need to do under the x and y value, you have to say dot values. So let's run this cell again, and then run this again, and then you can see that, and run this again. You can see that. Okay, so this was why our code was actually throwing or yelling some errors. Then we run this again. You see, everything works. So now run the last one. There, you can see the span, the age was actually replaced. So it worked. It worked successfully. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this helps you fix your missing data problem with your machine learning model. And if you like the video, like the video, please make sure to share it, like it, and if you want to watch more, you can subscribe. Thank you.